What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be probably one of the chillest vlogs you guys have seen on this channel in a while. We really do not have anything planned today. We're just going to be chilling, but I do want to see this car rolling. I haven't seen this car rolling in person, I don't think ever. So we're gonna have Drew, man,
Give me my keys, man.
Do us the honors.
Give me my keys.
All right, man. Just go ahead and get in that build.
It's on high boost, eh? I'm just kidding.
Thank God you don't know how to switch it too.
Chill,
this fool.
I do know.
Oh, I forgot you do know how to switch it. All right, I want to hear it start. Looks good though, nice and shiny. She did her makeup with my paint.
You said what? Hey, why you sitting so far away?
What do you mean?
He hates it.
Yo, we are the same height.
He hates it.
All right, man.
Yo, how about it?
This look, guys. He on a real race car. Look at that. Ha!
You know what?
All right, hold on. There's a car coming.
Nah, I'm gonna let it warm up for a second.
What do you mean? It should be already moving. You hear that rattling though? Yeah, that's the exhaust. So the exhaust on the right hand side, it you know how it has like the tunnel?
It's hitting it.
Was actually the B band's actually resting on the tunnel. So like at a certain frequency, yeah, it kind of like vibrates. Yeah, that's not really a big of a deal. That's why I never really. Trip about it? Yeah, I never really trip about it. It's not a big of a deal.
Well, yeah, let me know when to go. I don't know. Like I said, it's cold.
It's at 110, honestly. Well, the thing is, this car, like I tell you all the time, the exhaust sounds different when it's warm. Yeah. Like right now, like go ahead and give me like a soft rev. Oh well, it sounds good regardless, but it just it sounds a little different when it's warm. But yeah, you can go. It's fine. You should be you should be good.
So I'll just go down. And
just down and just come back up. This car looks good. Full driving it like he's scared. I want to hear some turbo noises. He's not giving us any type of turbo noises. Where the noises at? I haven't heard no type of flutter, no nothing. This fool, yo. God dang, like I knew that car sounded good, but Lord, it sounds good in person. That's crazy. What is that substance? That is a nice car. Hold on, I want to see it again. Now this fool causing traffic. No way. Yes, sir. She sound good. Yo, wow. Yeah, that's my first time actually hearing it, like in person. Never had anybody like drive it to let me hear it.
Yeah, I don't want to go too crazy. It's like, you know, this is kind
yeah. No, it's understandable. Look at that, guys. Your man's his passenger in his own car. It's kind of cool, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's cool to get like a different experience. Yeah. You know, with the car and stuff. Yeah. You know, seeing how I don't know somebody else drives it and like what they feel when they sit inside of it. So it's pretty cool. That turbo sounds good.
I ain't gonna lie, it feels good though.
Because I did let you drive it that one time, it's full still didn't like get on it on
you know,
it.
I don't, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You know how it'd be like, even now, like, you know, that probably like really would be like the most I would do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Well, I did want to feel high boost though, when it feels like
high boost?
Yeah.
You
cancel.
Hold down, cancel, and then you go up.
Cancel. Yeah, cancel up. No, hold it. So hold it down. Hold cancel down, and then go up on the actual. Wait, what happened there? So let me see. So like that.
Oh,
So
wait,
you
so
just use a little toggle thing to do it.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh.
I did cancel and I held up, but I don't know. It didn't.
Well, you let go of cancel.
Oh,
so you hold it.
You press it.
Yeah, so you press and hold it. The RPMs will drop, and then that's when you. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Second gear.
Yeah, just a little hit. I just want to feel like a little hit. But remember, the clutch does slip. Oh, there's a little bump right there. Just kind of get past that. Yeah, just stay like this, and then.
You ready?
Yeah. No way!
I tried to go in this way. Hey,
no
I'll turn
way! Okay, yeah.
That's,
no way!
chill.
No way, guys! Look, it's still in neutral. No way!
Let's hear it.
No way! This fool missed the gear, guys. No way! Not only did he start low, so like he kind of babied it, right?
I don't know what happened though. I don't know. Maybe I didn't have the clutch all the way down or something. I don't know.
That's hilarious.
Hey,
I'm about to roll that clip back.
chill, bro. Chill.
No way!
We got to redeem myself.
That's hilarious, yo.
I think it's a shifter, bro.
No, heck no.
No, the shift knob.
You think it's just because it's slippery?
Yeah, well, no, because you know, I'm used to like
The
shaft.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I'm not used to like the ball, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see.
Hey, yo.
Can't believe that. Of course she's gonna be in the way. Just go. Oh, you should have went too late now. Yeah. You're good over here. Let's see if you can redeem himself, guys.
Here we go, man. It's crazy.
Yeah, like, all right, wait, let it go up to like four, go up to 4. Oh, that's first gear, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it that time.
Yeah.
Hey, this bull.
Well,
This Will Park over here.
Yeah. Wow, this car, it feels good. It definitely feels good. Yeah, that's crazy. We gotta catch up. It's funny because you can hear him struggle with the clutch, but it's not his fault. It's not his fault. The clutch is just really aggressive. Yeah, no, right here. Love this car, yo. You can't tell that it doesn't sound good. That fitment go crazy though. No, you're good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That fitment go nay crazy, yo. That is, wow. Fell in love with this car even more. About that high boost. Some high boost, right? on, dog.
Yeah.
And I don't really know what to do to fix it because we've already bled the clutch, and it started slipping when it was brand new. Obviously, not. I don't think it was as bad. Obviously, it got a little worse. So like, I don't even know what to do. What, get it like another clutch? But it's like, this is a stage 4 clutch, bro. If this can't handle, then
well, there has to be something else out there that can handle it. You know, there's people with VQs making the 1,000.
exactly.
You know,
so I don't get it, bro. And yeah, clutch wasn't cheap at all.
You might have to do twin disc then. You know.
Yeah, I can't remember how much I spent on this clutch. It was like 1,200 or something like that, 1,100.
Really?
Which I understand. There's clutches out there that are more, but let's look at the dollar amount. It's still a lot of money regardless.
Yeah, one piece alone
For something I can't see.
Well, but it's like
purpose.
Yeah, 1,200 for something that's gonna wear out.
That too.
It's not even like, okay, it's a one-time thing. No, bro, you're gonna have to do this again.
Exactly. So to put it in perspective, a great perspective.
Yeah.
That's like spending 1,200 on brakes.
Exactly.
It's gonna
knowing it's gonna wear out.
Yeah, knowing it's gonna wear out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably one of the best views that are right by us is this view right here. You get the palm trees, you get because the water is straight ahead. It looks like it's like clouds, but it's actually water, which is pretty cool. Which is actually weird to think about too, that it's like it goes down like that. But easily one of the best views going into like downtown.
Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next, so feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm ballin' on the West Wall. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed, so now the way I'm winning, I ain't have to cut the head, hey. I said I've been saving, dog, let me see the money, hey. Now I'm popping, oh, they looking at me funny, hey. I was in the rain, waiting for these sunny days.
So here's our thing, here's the dilemma. We don't drink, we don't smoke, we don't party, we don't club, we don't go out. So like, when we're not doing car stuff, this is pretty much what we do, is like chill and stuff. Yeah. You know, some would say that it is like a boring life, or it could be a boring life, but it's actually really it's chill. Peaceful. You know? Peaceful, yeah. You ain't gotta do like the extra BS. But it's funny, we were actually talking when we were eating In-N-Out, because that's where we went. You guys saw we parked and stuff. Yeah. We were talking about this whole baby situation. Yeah. And we were basically saying, like, it's funny how when you're like, obviously like you're in the womb, right? You're in mom's stomach. They judge you basically like how old you are by like months. So like you're 8 months old, 9 months old. But then when you come out, you start over. It's like, technically, would you like continue, right? Because you're still growing, right? So like if you're 8 months old in the womb, you come out, you know what I mean? The next month you should be 9 months old, and then like so on and so forth. But you actually start over, which is weird. I don't know. It is weird stuff that we talk about.
You gotta be there, right?
Yeah, it's weird. But yeah, like I said, we kind of just do this just to kind of like chill and relax when we're not doing like any necessarily like car stuff, like car events, car meets, any of that stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are gonna end today's video. Like I said, it was pretty chill. We didn't really have too much going on. We're just gonna kind of end it watching some YouTube. We got Drew Man over here. And, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe and stay tuned.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing